Hey everyone, and welcome to Tiny Tribe Parents. In this video, we are going to talk about what to expect in your first trimester. Now, let's begin. Your mental and physical health. Every pregnancy is different, and some women experience no pregnancy symptoms at all. For some women, the first trimester is characterized by nausea, also known as morning sickness, although it can last all day and occur at any time during the day. During the first trimester, nausea can cause women to vomit or make it impossible to eat or keep down food. Some women experience spotting. Although this is normal, you should definitely seek medical advice if the bleeding is heavy. The combination of social, emotional and physical changes in pregnancy may lead to mental health issues such as anxiety and depression for some. It's important that you take care of your mental health during pregnancy. Find ways to cope with stress and changing emotions and learn the signs of depression and anxiety. Your emotions being pregnant causes a lot of changes to a woman's body. Your body is working extra hard to grow a tiny human from scratch. Your pregnancy hormones, morning sickness, and physiological discomforts can all affect your mood, and produce negative emotions. And while some people are excited to hear that they are pregnant, it is completely normal to have mixed feelings. It is normal to feel happy, scared, anxious, excited, and any other emotions. What happens to the fetus? Your body is working hard to create this little perfect bundle of joy. The fertilized egg develops into an embryo, which becomes a fetus 8 weeks into the pregnancy. By the end of the first trimester, all of your baby's major organs have formed, although they are not fully developed. Your baby has begun to form muscles and bones, and their genitals are growing. The first trimester is the time where your baby is at most risk because all of his major organs are forming. How to stay healthy. It's the old cliche, but it's true. Rest when you can. Listen to your body, and know when you need to take it easy. Eat small and eat often. While the old saying "you're eating for two" isn't quite accurate, you may find yourself hungry at odd hours of the day, or unable to eat a large meal like you used to. Even if you feel like you haven't done anything all day, you should eat. Your growing baby needs all of the nutrients. Stay active. While you don't want to overdo it, being active even if it's a 10-minute walk will help your pregnancy. The news of expecting a new baby can be very exciting. You should seek medical advice on the best way for you to stay healthy and protect the new baby growing inside of you. Hey, thanks for watching Tiny Tribe Parents, and be sure to subscribe for more incredible content that is on the way.